Here is how to back up MongoDB database. So in your Atlas, go to your cluster and click backup. And by the way, this is only for paid tier and you need to upgrade from free. And let's click our cluster and click take a snapshot now. Write a description, for instance, new snapshot, and click take snapshot. And we'll close this one and wait for a few minutes. Once the snapshot is available, just click this three dots here and click download. And if you are using a free tier, you'll just need to go to clusters and click connect. We'll use Compass. Copy this URI. Click add new connection. We'll paste it here and we'll change this database password. And let's connect. And you can click the database you want to back up and click each connection and go to export data and click export the full collection. You can choose JSON or CSV and just click export. And you can do this for the rest of the collections. So this is how you will back up MongoDB database.